Hello, Namaste. Nowadays, one has to look after their health first because health is wealth. Money gone, we can work hard and earn, but life and time gone will never come back. So please take very good care of your health first than anything else. To stay healthy, start being happy first because your grief will affect your health badly. Think positively, exercise daily, eat healthy homemade food. Watch Sangeeta's Food Paradise. Work hard, stay strong, worry less, and be happy. I would also advise people above 50 years to be active because if you rest, you will soon become very weak and incapable. It is the same with your muscles. If you don't use your muscles and lie down all the time, the muscles cannot even carry your weight. You cannot stand, you cannot walk. The brain is the same. If you don't use your brain, you don't think, you don't solve problems, you don't read, you don't write. So please be active. Take care of your body. It is the only place where you have to live. And being healthy is a success that many people forget to celebrate. Thank you. Be healthy. Be fit. God bless you all. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.